what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we're going to be doing a chit chat, get ready with me, where we'll chit and we'll chat and we'll do our makeup together. So if you want to chit and chat and do your makeup with me, then grab your stuff and let's go. But before we get into the video, please make sure you're subscribed, okay? If you're watching this, you're more than likely already subscribed because only my loyal subscribers watch my chit chat, get ready with me. But if by chance you're watching it and you're not subscribed, click the button down below. Maybe it's on this side. I don't know, girl. Click the subscribe button before we get into the video, please, and thank you. Let's go. But I've already primed, and I think because I might have a long day, I'm gonna set with some powder. Okay, wait, so I just jumped right in, did not even like say what's up. Hey sis, what's up? So we're gonna be getting ready together today. Now I already did my eyebrows off camera because nobody wants to see me do my eyebrows. And well, nobody wants to see me do anything, but I did my eyebrows off camera. I also primed off camera, and then I just set a little bit off camera with the Maybelline Fit Me. Because I feel like I'm gonna have like a pretty long day. I'm not sure. I mean, today is my niece's birthday. My little cutie has turned 14 today, okay? So I think I'm gonna have a long day, so I want my makeup to last. So yeah. So juicy, yeah? So this particular chit chat, get ready with me, is not gonna be talking about anything specific because I have a lot on my mind, okay? And I cannot stick to one thought. I'm gonna be rambling majority of the whole time, okay? And so that's just what it's gonna be. I literally never take off of work, ever. And so I took off work yesterday, and then my husband said he would as well, so we both took off work yesterday. And like both of us, we never take off work, like ever. And the whole time we just felt like we was playing hooky. But I wanted to get a third hole yesterday. Like, this is what happens when I take off work. I'm like, let me just go get a third hole. Like, why not? Let me go get my ears pierced. But then I thought, like, my niece, she turned 14, like she might want to, like, you know, get a second hole or whatever. So I was like, today I'm gonna go and see if she wants to get like a second hole, and then if she does, we're gonna go do that. I mean, I'm going for sure. Like, I'm going to get a third hole. Like, I want one. This is the Loreal Infallible Pro Matte. I love this. It stays matte. It lasts a very long time. Like, I'm obsessed with it. But let me just tell y'all, I tried this Fenty powder, and this is why I don't do high-end stuff, okay? Because, like, I tried the powder, and I gave it a good go. I really, really did. I gave it a good go. I used it at least, like, 6 times, and it's just really not good. Like, it's not bad, but it's not as good as the Maybelline Fit Me. And I'm like, this is why I don't pay for things that's more than $5. Like, also too, I got a sample of many things. But I got a sample of this Lancome foundation because all you hear is people talking about Lancome. I'm like, okay, let me try this Lancome foundation. Girl, that foundation sucks. Like, for me anyway. Like, I did not like it at all. Like, it did not really have like any like not any coverage, but it just wasn't good. And then, you know what I also always hear people talking about? That Estee Lauder Double Wear. So what I do, I went and I got me a sample. Sucked. I was like, I give up. I'm sticking to my L'Oreal Pro Matte or my Maybelline Super Stay. Like, those foundations I love so much. They never do me wrong. Like, I love them. And obviously these high-end foundations don't like me. I'm so mad. Yesterday when I went to the mall, I bought a skirt for Valentine's Day because I'm thinking about making that like my look. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I bought a skirt. My dumb behind, like, girl, get the 2. You can fit the 2. You have been working out for 5 days. Like, you could fit the 2 for sure. And it's like, absolutely not. Like, it would not even zip up. So I had a lump in my breast, and I went, first of all, the lump had been there for at least like a year and a half. And I had kept saying, like, I'm gonna go get a breast exam, I'm gonna go get a breast exam, I'm gonna go get a breast exam. And I had never gotten around to it until, like, it started to grow. It started to get bigger. So I was like, okay, like, I need to stop playing around and go and get, I'm like, I need to stop playing around and go get this breast exam. So I went and I got the breast exam finally, because not only did it start to get bigger, but it also started to, like, cause me pain. And I could see a physical difference in my breast. Like, it literally started to look different from the other one. So I was like, okay, like, I really need to go and get this checked out. So I went and I got a breast exam. And she said to me, like, okay, so you need to go and see a radiologist and get a ultrasound done so they could see, like, you know, what's going on. They'll be able to tell you, like, exactly what's going on and what it is. So I was like, okay. They gave me my prescription and my referral. I made the appointment. I went to the appointment. And then, like, you know, they did the ultrasound, showed me how big it was. It's huge. And let me blend this concealer out, sis. Okay, so I was saying, this airspun powder is so messy. But I went to the radiologist appointment or whatever. The lump was huge. And so then she was like, okay, I'm going to have to bring the doctor in to talk to you. And I'm like, okay, way to give me anxiety. Like, cool, lady. So then the doctor comes. I'm waiting for the doctor. He comes. And then he says that I need to have a biopsy done. So they could see, like, what it is and make sure it's not cancerous. So that really just made me extremely nervous. And I have not gone back. And I know, before you drag me in the comments, sis, I already know that I need to make sure that I go and get the biopsy done. But, like, you know, you gotta understand, like, I just did not have the mental capacity to, like, process another appointment, because I had already been to a few appointments prior to that regarding this same breast issue. So it was just too much. And it was just like, oh my gosh, like, I cannot see another one of you people. I cannot go to another doctor's appointment and talking about this lump. Like, I cannot. But I'm definitely gonna go and get the biopsy done. Yeah, this palette is also available on shopallthingsbeauty.com as well. I use that a lot too, but I don't think I'm gonna use that for blush today. Because I do want to use blush. I never hardly use blush, but I want to look flirty today, okay? I want to look flirty and, like, I'm sweet and I'm innocent and I don't curse. Which I really don't no more. The new site is up and running, y'all. Well, the old site wasn't ever, like, not running, but I changed the whole look of the site, so be sure to go check out shopallthingsbeauty.com. We got wigs, we got lashes, we got hair tools, accessories, jewelry, etc. So go check it out. Have y'all seen Queen and Slim? I watched Queen and Slim yesterday. I know I'm late, girl, but I watched Queen and Slim yesterday. And I was just, like, so not impressed. And I was so happy that I didn't go see it in the movies, because I just really wasn't into it. I felt like it was a lot of unnecessary scenes in the movie. And I don't know. I wasn't really into it. Like, of course, I appreciate the story, but, like, I don't know. I just felt like a lot of the scenes were just, like, purposeless. Now, what lashes am I going to wear? Because I want to look flirty. I want to look flirty, so I mean, Dream is like the all-time flirty lash, so I think I'm gonna just put on Dream, because Dream is extremely flirty. Now, I love to do this because I don't really want to put on eyeliner, so I'm gonna take, like, an angle brush, the darkest brown shadow in the palette, and then I'm literally just gonna put it literally right here. I was trying to go peachy with that. That went pink real quick. Okay, so this is the final look. I cannot find my lipstick that I wanted to wear, so whatever, girl. And I added some clips and a wig, and this review will probably already be up, or it's going up after this video, I don't know. But yeah, this wig is the Dashley Lace Unit 10. And the clips are from Shop All Things Beauty, of course. So be sure to check out Shop All Things Beauty. But if you enjoyed the video and you made it this far, give it a thumbs up, okay? I appreciate you. Like, I appreciate you. That's much love and respect. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And I'm gonna go. I'm gonna hurry, like I told y'all, and I'm also too in the process of trying to film 2 videos. So you know what I'm saying? Like, it's hectic, sis. I got to go. But thank you so much for hanging out. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.